Hey everyone, welcome to VA Made Easy. I'm VA-accredited attorney and U.S. Army combat veteran Ed Farmer. I just want to do a quick video this week. I want to discuss a topic that's come up quite a few times in my law firm this week. That topic is, should we send the veteran to this C&P exam? And that's a strategic decision that we attempt to make as lawyers, and something you could think about when you feel like the exam is possibly unnecessary. I'll warn you here, there can be severe consequences to skipping a VA exam. You may want to consult with a VA accredited representative or a VSO before you make that choice. But let me tell you why you would want to skip an exam. So the facts typically go somewhat like this. You apply for a service connection for some sort of disability. The VA sends you to their C&P examiner. Of course, that C&P examiner F's it up. He doesn't look at the buddy statements. He doesn't look at the medical evidence. He considers the wrong question, whatever it may be. Negative opinion, you're denied. So go out, get an independent medical opinion or nexus letter, submit that as a supplemental appeal. And guess what? Now you have the VA saying, well, we want you to attend a C&P exam, another C&P exam. In other words, they're trying to confirm what your independent medical examiner said with their C&P exam. Now, let me tell you, there is no VA regulation or statute that says that the VA has to get a third opinion to confirm what your independent examiner stated. That's a bunch of nonsense. And in my opinion, many times it's an attempt to develop negative evidence against the veteran. If you have a perfectly good nexus opinion in the file, it uses the correct standard. It reviews all the evidence. They give a well-reasoned rationale for their conclusion. Then the VA should be making a decision based on that nexus letter. But what they try to do instead is send you to another exam. And this is where the strategy comes in. Well, do I skip that exam or do I go to that exam? Again, you may want to consult with a accredited representative VSO before you make that decision. The theory is if you skip the exam, then they have to make a determination based on the evidence of record, which is their crappy C&P exam or your positive medical nexus opinion. The argument is yours has more probative value, more weight to it, and therefore the veteran wins. Under the benefit of the doubt rule, if the evidence is even equal or an equipoise, the veteran wins. So this strategy does work, and there are adjudicators at the VA who understand this strategy, and they will grant a claim based on independent medical opinion, even though you skipped that exam. However, it can also backfire. Unfortunately, a lot of adjudicators at the VA don't understand the benefit of the doubt rule, and they could give two craps about your IMO or your nexus letter. And I've done videos about this in the past. You guys know what it's like. So when you get denied again, obviously the drawbacks are, well, now you have to appeal again. You may have to go to the Board of Veterans Appeals, been spinning your wheels for a while at the regional office, and it's just more time until you get paid and get what you deserve. So that's the downside. But it is a strategy. It does work sometimes. Again, just be careful. Make smart decisions. Get some help if you need it. If you need help with your VA claim, visit me at vetlawoffice.com or call 1-800-700-4174. There's no fee unless I win. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. And as always, you have the power to change your VA claim.